Hello everyone, this is Karen. So today I'm going to show you how I make this bonsai. So this is gonna be a bonsai over rock. I did this about 5 months ago during winter, and I I put them inside the house. So what I did, if I can show you, I took a rock and basically put in between of this the roots of the bonsai. So this is a ficus, ginseng ficus bonsai. So we'll see how it is right now. Actually, there's two ways you can do this. You can put the rock and put the bonsai or plant over it, and then put a potting soil, kind of make it so the roots will grow over the rocks, and then eventually transfer it to the bonsai pot. And that's what I did here. Or you can put it directly to the bonsai pot and with the rock over it, under it. So we'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash this, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did my best in getting rid of most of the potting soil around the rock. I don't know if you can see that. So this is what it looks like. So you can see the roots pretty much cover the rock, which, what I'm planning to achieve in this plant. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my bonsai pot. So I'm gonna use this bonsai pot here. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this. This is actually a training wire. So I'm gonna secure the rock around this. So maybe like this. So what I'm doing, I'm just preparing my wiring here around here before I put the pottings, the bonsai mix, because I want my bonsai to be like maybe up a little bit, maybe like this. So more. So this bonsai pot is very deep for what I need. So I don't have any other bonsai pot to choose from. Otherwise, you want to secure the rock before you put anything in it, but that's not always happen. So gonna do it like this. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna secure it. I'm just gonna go underneath, below. So I think that's pretty good. If you can see, I'm wiggling it and it's secure. Okay, And there you go. Now I secured it, and I'm just gonna put more bonsai soil in there. You can see I'm wiggling the rock and it's not going anywhere, so it's secure. And also you can't see the wiring, which is good. Okay guys, so probably gonna add more soil around it, but anyway, so that is my Ficus over rock bonsai.